It's your boy, NyrictheNavigator, here to point you in the right direction. Hey, back at it again with another video. You feel what I'm saying? And today we got a little banger. Now today is Monday. Yeah, today is Monday. I think it's August the 3rd. And we got a little sneaker pickup for you. It came out on Thursday, so you should know what it is. It's a little Jordan release. So we're going to get straight into it. But before we do all of that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. If you hit the bell, then you will know exactly when I drop a video. You gotta know that for sure. And go ahead and leave a little comment, and you got to leave a like. I need as many likes as I can get. If you watch the video, you gotta like it. It go hand in hand. You feel what I'm saying? But in today's video, we got a little sneaker review, sneaker unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And then I done took a couple flicks, so I'm gonna put that in the video. You feel what I'm saying? But let's get into it. Hey, before we get in there, now I got on the Preem. You see it? You see it on there? This is a little baseball jersey that I got. It's in a medium. It's a little bit too big, but it's still fly though. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I caught these from like Hibbett Sports. It's a little store, and they have them in South Carolina most of the time. I ain't seen them nowhere else. But like it's like a Dick's Sporting Goods, but they sell Jordans and stuff like that on release day. So I got them for $205.20. So that was pretty good. You know, the $190 retail. And then we're gonna start with the box. So at the top of the box, you know, we got the black background with the red Jumpman, and then it says flight under the Jumpman. You feel what I'm saying? And then we got the gray cement box with the black specs as usual. And if you go around to the shoe tag, Air Jordan 4 Retro, size 8.5, in men's, women's 10. And then it says suggested retail price $190. And then the colors on it is cool gray, chrome dark charcoal. Yeah. So opening the box. Hey, I'm glad Jordan stopped giving all that paper. You remember all the little white paper that used to come? It's not necessary. All we need is the black to cover the shoe. You feel what I'm saying? So we got the black paper to cover the shoe. Now taking it out, you know we got, ooh, thumbnail. I didn't really like this shoe, but that looks good for the thumbnail. Let me do another one. Yep, yeah. So we go ahead and put the box down and then start with this shoe. So overall, I think this shoe is like, I think he did really good on this one. Jordan Brand did super good on this one, super well. Not a lot of flaws that I've seen in my pair. I mean, the tongue is kind of bent up, but that's because it's probably been in the box and with shipping and everything. I might got one little scuff mark, but I mean, oh no, it wasn't a scuff. I can rub it away. Okay, yeah. So I mean, starting with the bottom, whereas like as far as the traction pad, basic Jordan 4 traction pad, and then we got like tour yellow right here on the Jumpman and right here at the top of the traction pad. Then you know we got the stars that cover the front of the shoe, and then we got this a basic black, and then we got the white right here. So I mean, pretty good. It comes with just about all fours unless it's a special type of 4, so or a collab with something else. So I mean, it looks pretty good to me. I have no idea what that is. It's like a piece of white paint right there. I have no idea. But then going up to like the midsole and the sole, so we got the white, and then we got the air bubble. Now inside the air bubble, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's yellow, like right here. So and then inside the air bubble, you have the yellow, and then around there you have the white, and then coming up right here, right under the toe box on this part of the sole is black, and then you can see the white stars as well. And then on the other side, you pretty much got the same thing with the air bubble and the yellow inside. Now moving up to like the upper. So we got the toe box pretty straight, no creases. Nobody ain't tried my shoe on. And then right here we got the net and the mesh right here. So it looks like it's just plastic mesh, and behind that is like gray fibers. So that's pretty good. And then moving up to the top. At the top where the tongue is, you have the white Jumpman, and then you have the yellow flight. And then I just think the yellow like brings the color out more, cause just a gray and white shoe is not as like the Flint 13s. They don't pop as much, but when you have like hints of yellow all around the shoe, I think it just makes it pop. And then if you take these In the shoe tree out, you got the yellow where it says Air Jordan right here. It's in yellow, so I don't know if you can see that, but there it is right there. And then in the inside of the shoe, you got the white Jumpman, and then you got the 8.5 man sticker. And then yeah, so oh, this is different. See, they didn't do it like most of the time when you see the sizes they go across, but this time they went down. That might be something new that Jordan Brand is doing. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, hey, if you get you a pair, you'll see it. So you know what I'm talking about. I got me a little force field in there because I hate creases. Now this force field, I use it in more than one shoe, so I mean it's a little beat, but I put it in there so that I don't crease up my shoe because I hate creases. Like creases are the worst. So yeah, and then you got you got this right here which holds the laces right here, and then so that's cool, and then that's just plastic. I mean, I don't really like plastic as much. I like when they do the waffle net. I like when they do the waffle net metal because I mean it lasts longer. But like, cause the plastic can easily break. Now mine has only broke one time, but I was playing basketball in them, so what you expect. But like the metal ones, they don't break. I've never seen any of those break. But like overall, it's a great shoe. Like I like how they brought the different types of grays, and then the hints of yellow, and put it together to make an awesome shoe. It's a good back to school shoe. Me personally, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna wait for school or I'm gonna just go ahead and start wearing them. I think I'm gonna try to wait, being that school is only like 20 something days away. So I mean, just sit them in the closet, put them on ice for right now. But overall, I give this shoe a 10 out of 10. I like fours. Fours are my favorite shoe. That's probably why I got a 10. So fours is my favorite models of Jordan. So cause they're easy. They're not too bulky. You can wear them with pants or shorts. They cool. They still look good, and they don't crease as much as the other ones do. Like fives and threes, horrible at creasing. Ones are definitely horrible at creasing. Like they're like the crease masters, but they look the best. But fours, that's why I like fours the best because of the they prevent creasing. And then so I mean I think I'm good. Yeah. So we're gonna get out of here. Let me show you the other shoe. I mean, pretty much the same thing. I was showing you guys the left shoe, so here's the right shoe comparison. Uniform all the way around. Look pretty good to me. Yeah, no defects that I can see. So yeah, definitely a 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely gonna swag out, and then I'm gonna put the pictures or some of the pictures that I took like right now. So some of the pictures that I took, and then yeah. So make sure you go ahead and drop a comment, drop a like on how I did. Oh my God. Drop a like, drop a comment on how I did, how you feel about the shoe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. So we out of here. You feel me?